Bujuga Kanawia, Winapishtabe and Dugu, Makoyan Dudin, Wikoyang and Dunjiba, Wikoydong and Da, Anishinaabe and Da. We're here with Ojibwe Phrase of the Week. There's a really important phrase I wanted to share with you all. It has helped me along in my journey of learning Ojibwe. I'm still learning, and it helps me every day. This was shared by Miko Gabo. He says, "Namanja Gokee and Gwe au wanetao Ojibwe mod. Buchigo da nesido tago de new manadun." What that means is, no matter what dialect you speak or however you sound, the Creator will always understand you when you speak Ojibwe mod. Doesn't matter how you learn, and when we try to speak, the Creator will understand us. We're trying to bring fluency back to our community, and we all have to start somewhere. And when we start, we might sound a little funny, and that's okay, because we're learning and nobody's perfect. So no matter how you sound, the Creator always understands you.